Hi everyone. Today I got our senior project manager, project manager Mykola on a call to cover a very cool topic. And the topic is customizing your matchmaking CRM for the best possible workflow and productivity on a day-to-day basis. There's a lot to customize. There's a lot to do in terms of making this CRM yours. So Mykola, please jump in and let's cover the topic.
Yep. Hi, Tim. Before we start, as been promised on our previous call, a new T-shirt. And then we jump.
Yes, let's read
Oh,
it. I might colorblind, but I know I look good in red.
that's it. That's it.
Look, I know you have a weakness for amazing t-shirts. So it's funny.
Yeah,
It's funny.
yeah. I do. I have a lot of them with these nice prints.
I hope it puts a smile on our viewers' faces before we start digging into the productivity and all that cool stuff. So
Yeah.
let's,
Today,
yeah.
today I just want to talk about some basic stuff which was available in SmartMatchApp always, actually. But again, sometimes I discover only a few customers actually use this customization options to make it easier and faster to access some data in the database. It's not about matching, it's about an overall database look. So let me share my screen and show you.
Yeah, so we're
Let's.
gonna actually call it customizing your database, not matching today,
Mhm.
which we covered before, but your database for the best workflows. Okay.
Yep. So I will use my agency called Video again here, and I will show you a few code tricks. I'm already prepared. So first of all, it's a new version. We have two different types here, default type and premium type available. And for each of these types, first of all, you can customize this main view. If you if you see it, it's already a little bit different than a normal one, a base one, or default one. So I have added here a gender, birth date, ethnicity, and income, just to be here and always visible. No need to open a profile to check it. You can adjust this view by adding or removing view columns. Here under actions, add view column, remove view column. But also you can create additional views here, and that's what I did. I did another view, and I called this view intros. So I can switch to this view, and I will have some information about introductions. Sent to a customer, received by a customer, the date when the last introduction was sent, and the date when the last introduction was received. So I will stop for a second, Tim. You can jump in with some input, but overall, that's what SmartMatchApp can allow you to do. You can have a few different views, switch between them to have some critical
Well,
information.
my only comment is first of all, it's very relevant. We're in the business of introducing people, business
Mm-hmm.
of the productivity of introducing people. So you have a main database, let's say the one that you look at every day. So you go to the your like main view, which is your client's view.
Mm-hmm.
You can pick any fields you want, and there's up to 9 fields I think you can have in
Yep.
every column. If you want to
Mm-hmm.
see city, whenever you come to this main view is great. If you don't, you just remove it. So let's talk about specifics. Like you click on actions. Show me how you can remove. Let's say we don't care about, let's say about ethnicity in this view.
Yep.
Okay, just as an
Then
example.
it's extremely simple. You click actions, remove your column. From this drop down, you select ethnicity, press remove, and it's not here anymore.
Okay.
Same approach with adding fields. If you need something else, you press add view columns, you select whatever you want from a client profile,
For,
and then it
for
will be visible.
for fun,
on
let's
this view.
add something just for fun.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I saw something
Let's.
about pets or something like that. So let's add pets.
I want.
Oh, last match. That's cool. Last match.
Yeah,
There we go.
last
Last match.
match.
If you want to see right away when was the
Yep.
client matched, and you can see it right there. Now,
Mhm.
since we're talking about more views, let's show them. Let's show everyone how you can create a new view. So you have a view called clients, and you have a view called intros, right?
Interest.
So let's make a
So
new view and let's call it. I don't know. What else do you think
let's
would be
say timeline.
timeline view? Oh, you have some fields from timeline. Okay.
Yep. I will use the same ordering by a date created. Then add view columns.
You see how
Back.
everything is empty, guys? So
Yep.
now you can add up to 9 fields to this view.
So terms and condition accepted dates.
For example,
Last touch. Last activity.
what about timeline? Okay, that's
That's actually a timeline. You can see when this
anything from the
profile.
timeline you can do, like notes or something like that.
We can add quick notes.
Can you try
Also,
like a last note or something like that?
or
I'm
we
just
can do
experiencing.
something from the timeline. Okay, date of the last email, date of the last text, and
Okay.
let's keep just a date.
Yeah. If you want more, you can reach out to Nikolai. He will work with you. But that gives you an idea. And I know some people just don't know it. It's so easy
Yeah.
to miss. It's so easy to miss that it's important to cover it. So look, now you have your premium. Let's go from the top. You go to your database, left, and you can set up your types. So you have a
Yeah, by
premium.
the way, we have two types here, and each of these types, they can have different views inside. So that's what I did for my default type.
This could be your leads, for example, right?
Yep. And under premium, the view is different.
This could be your premium customers, for example. And there is no limit to how many types you can set up, guys. So you can literally build the database any way you want. So now we are back in the premium clients view, and we have the main client view, and then we have two more. Let's click on the drop down, and we've got now intros and
introductions information.
Yeah. And you can switch back and forth and search anything you want there. So let me ask you now. Great. Hopefully everybody got that. So this is let's click on actions to see what else is available. Search and view settings. That's very cool. Are we going to be covering today or next time?
It's pretty simple. All these views are saved under view settings. You can open them. You can select which one will be the default. So I can enable introductions view to be my default. So now if I will go here, introductions view will be loaded instead of clients.
Yeah. Very
you can
cool.
rename. So let's go back to search and view settings. You can rename your views, and also you can rearrange an order of fields here by drag and dropping. So actually, generally speaking, that's all.
Okay.
One last feature, Tim. Sorry, I want to cover. We are talking about productivity. We are talking about accessing the data as fast as possible. I want to touch base on Client Inspector. In addition to the view, so you can have these introductions and so on, you can adjust the Client Inspector by additional criteria to be visible. So it's pretty simple. Settings, client, and fields. You can add up to 10 additional criteria to be visible under the inspector. So I will add a view, and now you have this data on your view. Then no need to open Jane's profile. You can just click on this eye icon and check this additional information.
Let's stay here for a second. It's a powerful, and I know people love it, but maybe not everyone knows how to use it. By the way, by default, when we set up a new customer, do they get an eye like this, or it's not there?
Yeah, eye like this is always there, but it only includes email, location, type, submitted, created,
and they will
all.
probably. And I already suggested to have a link here to settings, but who listens to me, right? So, like, how do you find out where to set it up? no clue, right? So this is where
Yep.
to serve up. You go to fields
You,
and
you should actually see this setting under fields and
yeah, but
understand
you have
what
to
it
guess.
does.
You have to guess, and so that's why like it's a useful video. Now, if you go back to this preview or eye icon, inspector
Mm-hmm.
icon, let's click on it. Look, guys, there is also the tags or what we call lists under the
Mm-hmm.
photo. I think if you click on photo, I don't remember. If you click on photo, you cannot. Okay,
No, no,
but you
no.
can
It's not.
click. But from
It's
here, you can choose 9 fields that are the most important for you. You can click on profiles and go to directly to profile
so
or
yeah.
to
I am
matching.
redirected to the profile, but here on this tab, I will stay in the inspector. So no need to click back. You just check a profile in the other tab, and you will stay here.
There's another very cool application in addition to that. If you click on matches,
Again, it's a
uh,
new tab.
it's a new
Uh,
tab. So you have like it's not seen here, but there's 2 tabs open at the same time. And check
mm-hmm.
this out. When you are in matches, you obviously are already in the profile of Jane. However, look at that. You can click on the matches now, and they have all
Yep.
the eyes. So when you do matching, you can just
Same for suggestions.
yeah.
This eye icon is everywhere, so no need to open Emily's profile. If you have a few critical fields visible in the inspector, you just scroll down, you check the suggestions, okay, you check Sophia's information, you cross it, and you will stay on the same page.
Yeah, and if you click on, if you go to active introductions pipeline, again, it travels with you. The eye
Mm-hmm.
travels with you as you move the client through your entire matchmaking pipeline,
Yep,
right?
yep, yep. So actually, team, that's it.
You
We are
wish, you wish. Okay, let's go back to database. 2 more minutes. 2
okay.
more minutes. Since we're on this customization of the database views, and let's talk a little bit about filters right there. I'm very interested on all the rest of the stuff. On the left,
Uh,
on the left. So you have all the filters. This is all
yeah, you can
interesting.
filter the database by a list, a tag applied. You can have a few saved searches. So advanced search allows you to use any criteria. Let's just do it. Let's say males from 30 to 40. You can click save search
There you
criteria,
go. Saved
name the
search.
search.
Yes, yes, yes. Name the search you want. Let's say while Mykola is typing all this stuff, I'll give you an
Yep.
idea for a use case. Let's
Now
say
this
you
search is
use
saved.
yes.
Mhm.
So you saved it, great, and we're gonna use it now in a minute. But let me just explain a use case. Let's say you use something every single day. You want to see a certain type of search every single day. Let's say it's your most active clients. You can save it.
Mhm.
If you go to advanced search, you can probably find the criteria to save like last match or whatever, or
Yep.
missing introductions. You can do the search and then it'll give you all the profiles that need an introduction today.
Yep. And
For
then
example,
instead of opening advanced search every time, you just click on this saved search in the drop down and you have your search results
and it
here.
could be your VIP clients as well. I think
Yep.
you can apply
Whatever.
you can apply lists in the search,
Mm-hmm.
or you have to do it separately. Do you remember?
Now you can add a list to the search team. So,
Directly to there, so you don't need to do extra clicks if you can find a list.
mm-hmm.
And you say VIP clients, for example. Do you have free,
Oh,
paid?
I have paid clients here.
There you go. Let's do this.
So
It's a good
it
scenario,
will
right?
include the list as well.
All your paid clients. One click, you got all your paid clients. So thank you for that one. Let's quickly show how you can.
Then you can filter the database, just order the database by anything you have in your system.
Okay, that's pretty clear,
Yep.
self-explanatory.
And
Let's cover
here,
lists a little bit. We covered the views. Those are views. Where can you make lists and how do you apply lists? Real quick, and that's it.
under settings, clients, lists, and types, you can create additional tags. Let's just do it. VIP. I will save it. I can now color code it. I would love to use something like gold, close to gold here. So now this additional tag is created.
Yeah.
I go to, and let's assume Chris is my VIP customer. I open his profile. add to list,
VIP.
VIP,
There you go.
go back to default. Now I have this additional color dot, it's visible. And if I will filter the database, I will have
There
only
you go.
one.
There you go.
That's it.
Couple of more things. If we go back to premium, I'm gonna just push you more to the limit. There's more to do here in the database. So, for example, I want to select my paid clients, and I want to text them something from this database.
Okay, pretty simple. So if this tag is applied, a paid client, so we can just go here. I have 23 who are paid. Then we have select all. You see 23 are selected. And from actions now, we have a few bulk actions. We can send a message, we can send a request profile update, we can enable or disable member access, we can send survey.
Survey is interesting. Yeah, we just want to keep it simple. You can send a survey to everybody.
Yep. Send a message.
You can send a message. Hopefully,
Launch an automation for everybody. If you have an automation saved on the backend, you can just launch this automation manually without any triggers. We have a type of automations called manual. So let's say you have a sequence of 3 follow-ups to be sent to all these paid clients. You just create automation and you launch it.
Let's click on that. This is wonderful. We don't need to have.
I do not have any.
Yes. We covered it already. It's okay. But it's how you can launch an automation to send sequences. Let's cover the send message just to show the options we have a little bit, just at least to get the started.
Send message, email. It's like normal email body. Subject.
But you can apply templates, you can apply shortcodes, you can apply attachments, you can also send a text. You need Twilio add-on, but again, if you have it, an add-on, and it's not expensive, it's like really not expensive, you can start sending text messages to your database.
Yep, that's true.
And that's a wonderful way. It's a database magic, man. This is what it is, database magic. Let me ask you a couple more things. Export, import. I saw something under actions, so you can select all. Let's say you want to do something outside of this database. Okay. Use case. You want to put them on some special.
Or you want to send a report, just a report to somebody about paid clients, who they are. So you filter your paid clients, you select all of them, go to actions, press export.
There you go.
The list of this client, only these clients will be exported, and you will have an XLS document. As a result, you can download it to your local machine and deal with it there.
The other one that stands out is sending surveys. We covered surveys as well, so you can send bulk surveys, customizable again completely. You have to go drop down of the customized surveys with questions. We use it ourselves. It's wonderful. We don't need any other third-party survey tools. It's right there. Also, the last thing, bulk edit is huge. It's a huge tool. What am I saying? God, huge tool. It's an amazing tool. So you click on bulk edit. There you go. And you can switch people from one list to another, from one type to another. We're gonna leave it here. Play with it. If you want, reach out to Mykola. It's huge in terms of how you can get magic out of your database. It's really, really advanced database tool, guys. This whole SmartMatch database could be just used, never mind matching, could be just used for database management. You have membership, community, you need a database of special fields, and you have more than one type. Some of the people are mothers, other people are looking for surrogate mothers, right? Other people looking for surrogate mothers, and you name it. There is just one example. Investors in startups, and you can just use it as a database. There's so much you can do. If you want to explore it, reach out to us. One little thing, the views also visually can be customized. Well, not customized, but
you can jump from this list view to huge photos. And I know a lot of matchmakers, dating matchmakers, prefer to have these
Yeah,
views
if you're a
as.
visual business, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
And also something in the middle here, when the photo is a little bit bigger, and you can access timeline and matches directly from this view.
Okay, and I think that's sufficient, man. So let's wrap it up.
Yep.
Everyone, please don't be shy. Reach out to Mykola or our team on Contact Us. There's all the information in the description. It's free. You can advance your whole database game to the next level, literally in one meeting, and you can be more productive and more, and more profitable. How's that? So thank you so much, Mykola. Again, Mykola is our senior project and product manager at SmartMatchApp. Please feel free to reach out, and happy matching and happy database, day. Thank you.
Yep. It's a pleasure sharing, Tim. Have a great day.
You too, man. I'll see you next
Bye
week.
bye.
See you next week.